And now the Massachusetts Department of Fire Services says that home in Pittsfield did not have any working smoke alarms.
22 News reporter Nick Antonakis is live in Springfield with ways you can keep your home safe.
Kaylee, Julia, smoke alarms can be the difference between life and death in a lot of situations. So considering this recent case, it's especially important to make sure that yours are working. The Massachusetts Department of Fire Service recommends checking your smoke alarms once a month. They say they are important to have installed on every level of your home, so at least one for each floor. After 10 years, it's time to replace them. So if your alarms are over a decade old, consider upgrading to more modern ones. With the cold pattern of weather that we've seen, the likelihood of fires tends to rise. Jake Wark from State Fire Services says with the cold comes more things happening indoors, like cooking, heating, electronic devices being charged, fewer people stepping outside to smoke, and other scenarios that can create fire risks. He says home heating equipment is the leading source of carbon monoxide and the second leading of fires. It's also advised that you check up on your older loved ones and neighbors, as the chances of them getting injured or dying in a house fire are higher. They also say that if you need help assisting or checking your fire alarms in this case, you can reach out to your local fire departments. Working for you live in Springfield, Nick Antonakis, 22 News.